Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Epson's brand new Pro Cinema 4050 Pro-UHD 4K enhancement projector with HDR. But before we get into the video, if you're into home theater, audio, and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alright guys, well Cedia 2018 is kicking off today, and with that, Epson is introducing a brand new projector from their Pro Cinema series. Now the 4050 projector replaces the previous 4040 projector, so we're going to be looking at the specs of the 4050, and in order to do that, let's head over to the Epson website. So from the home page, you're going to head up to the top where it says for home, come down to projectors, and go over to Pro Cinema projectors. And here we're going to scroll down to about 3/4 of the way down the page. And right here we can see the new Pro Cinema 4050 4K Pro UHD projector. So let's go ahead and click on the link. So here we have a look at the new Pro Cinema 4050 4K Pro UHD projector with an advanced 3-chip design as well as HDR. Now the 4050 projector utilizes Epson's new proprietary 4K Pro UHD technology, which features an improved version of Epson's advanced pixel shifting resolution enhancement technology, along with an expansive color gamut, high dynamic range, and 100% balanced color brightness to display stunning 4K content with an extraordinary range of color and detail in every scene. This 3-chip LCD projector will feature 10-bit wide color gamut, DCI P3, which means it's got lots and lots of colors, 12-bit processing, and in this projector, Epson uses their advanced state-of-the-art 15-element glass projection lens. Now the 4050 has an incredible amount of brightness at 2400 lumens and an increased contrast ratio of up to 200,000 to 1. As you can see in this illustration, you do not necessarily have to have the projector mounted dead center in your room. Every room has limitations, and so you may need to mount it in different positions, and with the lens shift you can get the image lined up to the screen. The Pro Cinema 4050 is going to retail for $23.99 and will include the projector, a ceiling mount, a cable cover, as well as a spare lamp. And if you're at Cedia Expo 2018, you can check out the Pro Cinema 4050 on display at Epson's demo booth number 5734 from September the 6th through the September the 8th. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video on the Pro Cinema 4050 4K enhancement projector. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe as well as hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I produce a video. And as always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.